Real happy with these chests lately. They don't seem to pay off like they once did, but we'll see. Maybe this one will be better. Yeah, I think I should have opened my raid box first. It's alright though. Then again, maybe not. They just have not been very impressive lately. But after getting the broccoli guy and green owl a minute ago from my other account, I probably should have just saved it. And I got a tennis already. I should check on, see how many owls I have. I think I got like three 5-star. Got the green one, tennis, and the blue healer. Wow, that has been brutal. That's the only one that I have of, no, I guess I got her too, huh? It's alright. Refresh this in 57 minutes. After that, I still haven't killed another druid. Alright, well, it is what it is.